Welcome back to your Toolbox Tutors 2-minute drill. This will be example 1 of simplifying square roots that have numbers only, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to simplify this square root, adding a new tool to your math toolbox. Simplifying square roots is just like breaking down a number using a factor tree. First, you want to identify two factors we can use to break down the square root of 20. We'll use 10 and 2. Next, we want to look at 10 to see if we have any factors. In this case, we have 5 times 2. Next, we want to look at the 2 to see if it has any other factors. Since it's a prime number, we're just going to bring it down now that we have all prime factors. Now, we need to identify any pairs we have under the radical. This is because square roots have an index of 2, meaning you must have 2 of the same number in order to remove it. And in this case, we have a pair of 2's. So this pair of 2's can be removed from under the radical, and they become 1, 2 outside of the radical. Since we don't have a pair of 5's under the radical, we'll leave this 5 by itself under the radical. And your final answer is 2 square roots of 5. Thanks for watching the video. Connect with us at Toolbox Tutors on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to get more content.